Supported shoulder stand pose or Salamba Sarvangasana. The Sanskrit name for this pose, Salamba Sarvangasana, comes from 5 words. Sa meaning with, Alamba meaning support, Sarva meaning all, Anga meaning limb, Asana meaning pose. The name essentially translates to all limbs with support pose. The support means that your hands are on your back, holding up your torso while your legs are overhead. There are variations of shoulder stand without hand support. Those are called Niralamba, which means unsupported. Supported shoulder stand or Salamba Sarvangasana is an inverted yoga pose that stretches the back of the neck while strengthening the spine and core muscles. It is appropriate for intermediate to advanced yoga students. Shoulder stand is such an important pose with so many benefits that it is referred to in many yoga traditions as the queen or mother of all yoga postures. Shoulder stand is often done along with plow pose, halasana, and fish pose, matsyasana. Shoulder stand relaxes the mind and prepares the body for the final relaxation position, corpse pose, shavasana. Begin by lying flat on your back with your legs extended and your arms at your sides. Bend your knees and place your soles of feet flat on the floor. This is a starting position. Inhale, raise your straight legs up to the sky and keep it perpendicular to the floor. Engage your arms by pressing your hands in the mat as a support to curl the torso up. Alternatively, the hands can support the hips to curl the torso up. On an exhalation, use your abdominal muscles to lift your legs and hips off the floor. The arms are pressing on the ground for support. Curl your torso and bring your knees in toward your face. Then lift your hips and bring your torso perpendicular to the floor. Roll the shoulders outwards to bring the arms behind at the back. Clasp the hands together for easy aligning the arms with the shoulders. Slowly bend your elbows and place your hands on your lower back with your fingertips pointing up toward the ceiling. Keep your elbows on the ground, shoulder width apart. Do not let your elbows split out to the sides. In the beginning, keep one leg down on the floor and lift one leg up to the sky. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale, release. Inhale, change to the other leg. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale, release. When you're more comfortable, lift one leg at a time to the sky, keeping it straight on top of the torso, and the hands are free supporting of the lower back. The toes can be pointed towards the face or towards the sky. Try to bring your shoulders, hips, and feet into one line. Keep your head and neck in line with your spine and do not turn your head. Draw your shoulder blades firmly into your upper back. Keep a space between your chin and chest and soften your throat. Gaze toward your chest. Breathe while holding the pose. Advanced practitioners can practice unsupported shoulder stand, Niralamba Sarvangasana. The legs are low to the back. Lower the arms down alongside with the head. The abdominals are contract strongly with the exhalation. Reach your toes towards the sky. Only the arms, the back of the head and the shoulders supporting in the final pose. Breathe while holding the pose. To release the pose, slowly lower your feet back to the ground, coming into plow pose, halasana, with your hands supporting your back or no support. Then release your hands to your sides. Exhale and slowly roll down one vertebra at a time, bending your knees if you need to.